guys, it is Friday, TGIF. I'm so happy it's Friday. I'm looking forward to my weekend, resting and everything. So this evening we're going to the circus. I'm going to carry you guys along with me to go to the circus, the Suarez Brothers Circus. I don't know if you guys know of that circus, but they're a company that has come to Jamaica a couple times before. I've seen them before when I was a youngster. I think it may be a lot better because when they came at the time, it was in Brownstown that they held it. And I was now thinking back, I'm like, why did they hold it in Brownstown? I don't know, but maybe they had the space there and stuff. So I'm going with an open mind. We're carrying our niece. So we're going to be going, so it'll be Haki, myself, and our niece. And we're going to just go and have a good time. That's going to be tonight at about 7:30. So our niece is supposed to come here from about like after school, so Hakeem's gonna pick her up and then she's gonna be here for a little bit until while we get ready, and then we go and head to the circus. Oh yeah, I braided my hair. I did a video some time back where I showed you guys the process. Well, I did a video, but I didn't follow through. I just didn't bother because I didn't like how my braids turned out then, and I ended up having to redo it. Every time I say I'm going to braid my hair on camera and show you guys, I end up not doing it. But I braided my hair myself. It's not perfect. I'm not a hairstylist. I just do it because I can do it. And how I do it is not awful for me. So I just do it myself. Would I do it on somebody else's head? I don't know. Maybe it would be better if I was doing it on somebody else's head because I'd be able to kind of get it. But it works for me. So I do it for myself and I'm happy with it. So yeah, but this is my hair. I decided to go with a little bit of color. I've tried, I think I did a more blonde the last time, so now I'm doing a little bit of like an orange, burnt orange type of vibe with black. That's what I did, and I have my hair like this. So I'm really liking it. I'm loving my hair in braids because right now I'm transitioning my hair. I'm actually going back natural. I've decided I am concrete. I am just, listen, natural queen coming back in effect. So I was natural long time before I did a big chop. I did my big chop on this channel actually, and I've just been natural, and then I decided to process my hair, or relax my hair rather, right before, well, when, like as I hit 30, and I was like, I'm tired of comb the hair because I'm not a hair comber. But now I'm realizing that I think my spirit is just natural, big poof, curly girl. So I'm gonna go back to that. So right now my hair is growing out. I don't have much growth, so I'm not cutting it yet. So that's why I'm gonna keep my head in braids and do my thing. By the way, I painted my door. I think I would show some clips of me painting. I'm into black doors. I like black and greens and neutrals and that type of vibe. So painting the doors one by one, and then I also, the handles were silver, and I'm thinking to paint this door as well in here, and then the bathroom door is not yet painted, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do that and probably do like a full-on black hallway. I'm feeling the black vibe, and then I'll have like little accent greens and whites and bronze and stuff. I'm thinking that's where I'm going mentally. I feel like my decor style is becoming what it is. I like masculine elements, so that's why I like the black, and I like a home to look like both a man and a woman live in it. I'm not that type of person where I'm like, oh, I'll just decorate it for myself and just do foofy foofy and da-da-da. And generally I'm not foofy foofy anyway, but I like having masculine and feminine elements coming together in a way. So the black doors are very masculine, then also having like this right here with the little touch of like a flower, but it's green and it has like the white pot, like this type of vibe in, you know, it's interspersed throughout the home. So that's basically our design style. And I feel like a lot of times when you buy a home or you move into a new home, whether you buy it or not, you tend to want to do everything right now. And sometimes when you do things right now, you end up doing things that you don't necessarily love, but you like in the moment. And then a few months down the line, which is something I am that way, I'll be like, no, this never looks so good, I'm gonna change this. So even though like we don't have drapes up in our living room, we're just going to tint the windows and leave them as is, because we're not curtain people anyway. Even in our kitchen we have blinds, you know. So you really just, I say all of this to say, you find what you like, you kind of strike your own rhythm as you live in a space. You see what works, what doesn't work, you move it there, you move that there, you change that, you change, you know, and then you figure it out, and then things start coming together. So don't let the pressures of moving into a space make you feel like you have to spend a bag of money right now and do everything. You could live in a space with nothing in it for a little, if that helps you to kind of get settled and figure out your style. Look at people's homes, do little mood boards, things like that, to get your feelings, you know, figure out what you like and what you don't like. And that's what building a home is all about. I also want to say we finally figured out what we're doing for our 5-year anniversary, and that's going to remain a secret because I mean, I don't film in real time, so this vlog you're going to watch right now is literally probably a couple weeks back. So I do film in the back so that I have content, so it works for me so I can keep up with the schedule. And then also just safety reasons, you don't want to film in real time and post in real time. I don't believe in that. But it's still real time because it's really happening. We finally figured it out. It's going to be, it's something that we've always been wanting to do. It's an adjustment, but not a huge one. That's all I'm going to say for that. But I'm so excited that we finally, it's something we've been wanting to do for a very long time. So that's what we're going to be doing. It's travel. So I will say it's travel. So we are going somewhere. But I'm not gonna say where. You guys are gonna see. We're just gonna carry along on the journey. I'm so sorry. I hate when people do this, like, oh, we'll just wait and see. But it's just, it's maybe I'm hyping it up too much, but it's a big deal for us because it's something we've been wanting to do, travel wise, and I think it's going to really be fun, and I'm excited. So, I think we might get something to eat before we go, but for right now I have to get back into these things. I have a couple deadlines for today. I want to hit them by, it's now 10:17, I want to hit them by 10:45 maybe, and then that's it. So I'll see you guys in a few. We are okay guys, so I just wanted to jump on here and share a little bit of the experience going to the Suarez Circus. They are here until I think December 22, so if you want to check them out, they're at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center, so that's in Kingston. Going in, we purchased VIP tickets, so they have tiered tickets that they offer. So the ones we purchased, we would have been not necessarily front and center, but we would have been ringside. We got to our seats. We came a little bit late. There was traffic outside. We had to park. We had to pay $500 for parking. We got in. We were escorted to our seating area, but there were not many seats left. We had to kind of, the seats that we got, there was like a beam in front of us. So it really made it hard to see. And just based on the size of the venue overall, I don't think you need to get VIP seats. It really didn't make any difference because we ended up moving back up to a little further back so that we could actually see the stage, because as I said, where we're sitting there was a beam in front of us. So it really, just for future, if anybody's planning to go, there's still a couple of weeks to go based on when I posted this video, which is today, December 8th. So you have a couple of weeks left to go. I would suggest not getting VIP unless you're front and center, and then there's no way to guarantee that because it really is a first come first serve for seating in that section. What I would suggest also is eat before you go. I mean, it's nice to go because we went with our niece, so we wanted to give her an experience of like a circus, so we did buy stuff there, but things are expensive, bad. Like we got popcorn, we got nachos, and they had pizza as well. Things were like, there was nothing less than $800, guys. And water, the only thing that was less was probably water, and the water was $500 for a little bottle of cool water. We don't have any card machines, so you're gonna have to use cash. Performances were really nice. I think some of them went a little bit too long. The clown, who was the master of the ceremonies, sometimes I feel like him go a little bit too much. I don't know, it's just me, but my niece liked it, so that was good. She did say she was scared of clowns, so I don't know. Anyway, he went around touching people, all that stuff, so we didn't get that any touching or anything because we're a little further back. He didn't come around to our side. Toward the end, the second half, there was an intermission. Toward the end, it got really good, and the closing out was really good as well. It was opening night, I think, so when we went, so it really was, I think they were figuring it out, so now it may be better based on them figuring out themselves a little bit better, but overall 7 out of 10. Because I wanted them kind of underdone so that they're chewy. But yeah, these are they. Came out so good.